birthday, right?
Yay.
Happy birthday, Nubian.
Happy birthday.
Welcome to Happy Trails. I live here. I live right up there.
Wow.
So we all live up there.
That's
So, you want to meet my horses?
Yes.
See those teeth? Good boy.
Oh, it's so sweet. Oh. Oh.
Do you have baby horses?
No babies, but I have 2 ponies.
I want to see ponies.
You do? I have a very special pony. She's a unicorn.
Ooh.
I want a
We will be able to see it.
I want a unicorn.
She doesn't have her horn except for at night. It's a secret.
You get to ride the unicorn.
No, I have 2 horses picked out for you guys. They're very pretty. He's pink.
Oh my God.
6 years old.
Aww.
He has no manners. So be careful around Sunny, just petting him. Because he's a little mouthy. He loves hay. Please feed Sunny hay. They've been waiting all day for you guys to feed them hay.
Is there hay on the floor?
No feeding dirty hay. I'll give you. So Finney's out there hanging out with her friend. This is Masa. She's only 7 years old. Very pretty horse. She doesn't really like to be pet that much. Sometimes.
Okay, yeah.
Alright. Dazzler.
Ooh, so pretty.
He's a very good horse. You see how he chews on the wood? So that means he gets real restless in the stall, okay? And then he starts swallowing air, which is why he has that collar. If a horse swallows too much air, they get very, very sick and you have to call the vet because horses cannot burp. So, if they inhale too much air, it's really bad. They get a bad tummy ache and you have to call the vet out.
Oh, wow.
So this is Dazzler. This next horse you're going to ride today. This is Dasher.
I want that.
You can ride Dasher. Dasher is one of my main horses. He's my favorite horse in the whole barn.
Oh.
So, you want to pet him?
What makes him your favorite?
I had a horse named Coco who was almost just the same, and I lost Coco like a year ago. He probably won't eat your hay, so if you give him hay, just throw it over behind his name tag, okay? Okay. Yeah, I want some hay. Yeah, he's kind of grumpy. This is another horse you'll be riding today. Buddy. You can pet Buddy.
Wow, look at you.
Buddy.
So you'll be riding Dasher and Buddy, big horses. You gotta be real brave, okay? They do this every weekend for
They're used to it.
5 years straight. You wanna pet her through the stall? She's 12 years old. She will never get any taller.
So cute.
She wants to be pet. Pet her.
Wait. You gotta wait till Lucy decides you're okay. She's trying to get to some feet. She wants some hay.
They all do.
They all want some hay.
My first
you
party
purposely do it.
canceled, and so I just let them stay.
You let them, yeah. You purposely do that so that they can make sure that they kind of participate in eating.
Yeah. And when you guys are feeding the horses, try not to get the hay in their water bowl, okay?
Okay.
Wow.
All right, this next horse is very, very special to me. This is Bud. When I was 8 years old, who's 8 years old here? How old are you? 9, so almost 8. So, this horse taught me to ride. He is 37 years old.
Wow.
That makes him 113 years old in horse years. You want to see something yucky?
Ooh.
He almost has no teeth.
Oh,
Wow.
So we make him like a soup, and he loves it.
That's so sweet.
And he'll eat your hay, but he might spit it out. So if Bud doesn't eat your hay, don't be offended, okay? This is Cowboy. He's been here for over 20 years. He's 27 years old.
Wow.
He's retired. Bud still does lessons, camps, birthday parties.
And he's older.
And he's way older. But if I don't do that, he has no appetite. So that's probably why he's still here. But Cowboy, he is a good boy if you want to pet him. He wants hay. And you'll know when Cowboy wants hay because he's going to be banging, banging, banging.
That's the way of
Alright, this is Tank.
That's what it is.
Tank was voted to have the cutest face at Happy Trails.
Aww.
You can pet him
He
if you
is
let
cute,
him.
Lashes.
I know.
Huge lashes.
We took him to the salon.
Wait, what's the article? You said you had two.
Bear and you already met Bear. He's the other one. Alright, this is not Dixie. Dixie's that black and white horse out there keeping Finny company. We just don't let Dixie in the barn because we rescued her and sometimes she likes to bite, so we just keep her outside. So this is Cadence. He is a rescue horse. He's not my horse, he's one of my border horses. When I got Cadence 4 months ago, he was skin and bones.
Oh.
When he got off that trailer, I was terrified.
Wow.
So he's looking a lot better. This is also a rescue, came with Cadence. Her name is Little Bit. She's 28. Please feed these two horses so much hay, they really need it. When Little Bit got out of the trailer, she was even worse. So she's had to put on a lot more weight. So she needs all the hay she can get, okay? You ready to... I know. Isn't that sad? How could somebody do that to a horse? Right? But she's happy here and she's getting fed and very loved. Alright, you want to feed these horses?
Alright. Get to it.
Fun stuff.
I did not want to get my hands dirty.
Oh my goodness. You could clean them. You could clean those little hands. You little city girls. You
This is clean hay, yes.
little city girls.
I know. Alright, Nubian, you're my first girl, but I want you guys to listen. You're going to take 2 hands at the bottom. These are hay bouquets. That's what I call them. You're going to go up to your favorite horse. Let them eat out of the top. And then go to the next. So you can go ahead. Any horse. Sunny, Striker, Biscuit. all
Which
the
horse,
horses
Nubian?
be fed.
Which horse you gonna feed?
And when you feed Dakota, just throw it behind her name tag.
Okay, go ahead.
You want to feed Dasher?
Hold it together, Nubian. And now give them some, okay? Come on, baby. You gotta get closer, okay? Gotta get closer, Nubian. Good job, Nubian. Good job. That's okay. Pick it back up. Yeah, just let them have it from the top. Remember? And then let them snatch some away. There you go. Watch your fingers. Yeah, just like that. Good job. Nice to meet you, Miss Cam. I mean, Boppy. That's Boppy. That's right, Boppy. Cam is your brother. Okay, I got it now. Nubian and her grandma. Kira. Yeah, I'll get some more.
That's adorable.
That is so cute.
You said, why not?
I love it. Aww. The little spirits. I'm moving out your way. That was so cute. Boss, yep, I know. Hunter. Yep.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, he gotta go to the game.
Yeah, they're finna go.
No, I'm going to. Oh, you going to? You already played. Alabama. Alabama.
I'm gonna go down there. I wanna walk down the set.
Man, I'm hot. I'm not walking on the set. Y'all know y'all gonna be on my YouTube channel. Y'all already know that. Hi, say hi to everybody. I know y'all don't like YouTube. I love YouTube. I'm sorry. I'm a YouTuber. It's what I do. I do YouTube things. We're working on some. We're gonna have some good ones really soon here.
Talk about a couple.
Good job, buddy. Oh, man, they was done.
Woo!
I'm out of here. There's too
Y'all
much
better
stuff.
go.
You're gonna go by yourself?
Hold on, baby.
Look at them.
She looks cute.
Mama, you want to get on the other horse?
No, thank you.
Like behind I will.
Yay!
Girl, riding your firefly. Going on, cowgirl.
What black?
Oh, go on, cowgirl.
What cat?
Cowgirl, honey.
Woohoo! Go, Baba.
Butt crack.
Look
Butt crack.
at her being.
I got her.
Y'all did so good. Oh, is his leg hurting? Oh,
He's probably tired.
he probably tired from riding all of y'all. All the party goers here.
Hand the party over to y'all.
All right. Thank you.
What's you?
I'll see you. You ready?
It's really good, lady.
No sugar to better. Yeah.
Y'all look so cute. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Look up, newbie. 1, 2, 3. Cute. I
Happy birthday to